Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in our today video we will be providing you the information about the new opening for the full stack developer in the Life Institution Technology company. So I will be providing you the information about the what is your requirement, what is your role in the internship. It will be of 6 months and you will be get 15,000 for each month. So if you multiply 15,000 with the 6, it comes out to be 90,000, which is approximate 1 lakh. So this opportunity will give you 1 lakh. So keep this watch this video full, and it will be a in-office internship, so you will be have a great chance to learn about the working culture of a organization, and it is your summer vacation, and you can apply for that, and it is open for the 1 month, and it has been recently posted. So you can go and apply for that. And if you want us to bring this great opportunity for you, just subscribe to our channel, and we are participating in a challenge in which we will be completing 1k subscriber on YouTube in just 2 months. So provide some love and support to our channel by just subscribing to it. Now let's jump into the our opportunity for the full stack development. So this full stack, I will be providing you the link of this. So you can see that it is a full stack development internship. If you are a second year or third year or fourth year, you can apply for that, and there is no year restriction for this internship. And full stack development is a common department where the student have their abilities for the internships. Now let's talk about which company this internship is provided by. So the company name is Life Institution Technology. It is a great company. So and there is an opportunity for you if you complete the internship with a great confidence. Then you will be able to get a full-time job opportunity which costs about 4 lakh, and you can apply. Now you can see, now this is all about the company is great, and it regularly posted different job profile. So you can subscribe to our channel for getting this amazing amazing opportunity updates. So it is a full stack development opportunity, and starting date, just when you apply you will be shortlisted or you will be given a task, and by completing their task you will be joining their campaign. And so starting date is immediately. As early you as apply, you will get chance to start the opportunity, and there are only 92 applicants, so there is less competition. So just go and apply for that. And it is internship with the job offer. If you complete the internship with a decent output, you will be get a job offer from them. And again I have tell that 15,000 for the per month, and it is 6 months, so you will be get around 1 lakh. So this is about the internship. What is your role and responsibility? First of all, you have to have the learning ability, and after learning it you have to implement the innovative business ideas, so that company get benefit from your knowledge. Now for the performance, there will be performance incentives for you. And for the APIs, you should have a good command on the APIs like REST, JSON, XML. And now for the softwares, you should have the code editor command like VS Code something. Now for the technology, you should know advanced or normal level of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Ajax, Bootstrap. Bootstrap is a CSS framework. So, and responsive design, you have to make a responsive design. Now what is the skill required? If you are getting 1 lakh around, now there is a decent amount of the skill you should have. So you should know about the Angular. CSS is a common, and it is a bit easy for you to conquer the CSS. Now you should know a bit about the data structure, and something about HTML, JavaScript, Laravel, and MySQL, Node.js, PHP, Python, React.js. These are the some skills you should require so that you can complete. Now who can apply? Now it is and how can you apply? Just below you get the apply now button. Just apply, click on it. You will be applied to that, and you will be get an email for further steps. Now for the earning certificate, now if you do not have this skill, you can earn certificates by the internshala for in these branches. Now who can apply? If you are available for the full-time in-office internship, you have to go their office. Its office is located in the Bangalore, so it will be great opportunity to find out the working culture of an organization, and you will be get experience to these internships. And what is the period for this starting? It's starting, you can apply till 19th July 2024. And what is the duration is 6 months, and you will be get 15,000 for each month. Now main is perks. Now get start with the perks, like you will be get certificate, so you can show it on your social media and friends. And from the social media, I will be requesting you that please follow us on all the social media handles, and we will be sorting out all your doubts. And letter of recommendation, you will be get the letter of recommendation for the job offer. That job offer is about 3 to 4 lakh per year you will be get from that job offer. It is a permanent job for you. And what now it is a 5-day week internship. So it has 5 openings, so go and apply for that. This is brief introduction about the Live Institution Technologies company. You can go and search it out. I will be providing this link in your description, and this is all about. I hope you will get the information how to apply, and what is your role and responsibility, and what is all the perks you will get around. If you like this job opportunity, just like the video, share the video to those whosoever is wanna to get the summer vacation internship, and subscribe to our channel for getting this amazing these internship opportunities. This is all about this internship. If you have any additional doubt, you can comment to this video. We'll be really happy to sort out your all the doubts. Follow us on the social media like Instagram, LinkedIn, Telegram, WhatsApp. You can join our WhatsApp channel where we regularly post different internship opportunities. This is all about this video, and I will catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.